Okay, tell me how this sounds. Dear Diary, I am so sorry. You're gonna go there after the whole dear urine thing. Right? Just say dear urine done. Okay, great. That's fine.
Yeah.
So I prepared 3 grab bags, so to see how you will do, and there's a crowd for them, then I will bring more for the event.
My bed is a little messy now, but I'm gonna take all the outfits so that I can restock them at Coldplay. And I haven't got to restock all the outfits. There's only like three designs there, so I took out a few of each design from my current stock to be restocked at the pop-up shop. And I printed the labels over here, so they look like this. Then I'll cut them up one by one. This is how they look when tagged, so I'll just go restock them tomorrow at Coldplay. I received 2 items from last week's booth event. I wasn't there physically because I was quite unwell, but I still managed to receive some of these. I'll show you guys the items I got. This is from Pox owner, Denise. She wrote me a poem on the birdies, which I find quite cute, and like I feel like this is how I feel on the day.
Oh, right. Because I muted you. Got it. You made your point.
And so then I said to her, "You're the one who just got a raise."